If you are looking for the perfect, smoothest, and creamiest cream cheese frosting, this is the recipe for you. Let me show you how to make it. What is up, you guys? It is Karli here, and you're officially cooking with Karli. And like I said, we are making cream cheese frosting today. It's super simple, really tasty. It's my only cream cheese frosting that I eat. This is the recipe. As you can see, there's just very minimal ingredients, and it is perfect on top of cupcakes, cakes, cookies, like dipping strawberries in it. I'll admit it, I've done that before. And I know some people are very opinionated on whether or not cream cheese frosting or icing should go on cinnamon rolls. So you can use this on cinnamon rolls, but if you are totally against using cream cheese icing on cinnamon rolls, you can click up here and I'll take you to my cinnamon roll icing video, and there is no cream cheese in there. So if you were looking for something without cream cheese, go there. But today we're focusing on cream cheese frosting. We have a block of cream cheese here. This is room temperature. It's been sitting out for about an hour, hour and a half, so it's nice and soft. We have half a stick of butter, so 1/4 cup, and powdered sugar. This is 4 cups. We have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then just some milk to thin down the frosting to our desired consistency. In the description below, you can click and go to my website and print out this recipe, and you'll find step-by-step instructions there, as well as all of these ingredient amounts. So to get started, we are just going to cream together the cream cheese and the butter. I'm doing this with my stand mixer, but you can use an electric hand mixer too. Either way works just fine. And our butter, also room temperature. That is salted butter, by the way. Now that the cream cheese and butter nice and combined, smooth, we're going to slowly add in our powdered sugar. So I'm going to do about 1 cup and mix that together, and then repeat the process until all of the powdered sugar is in with the mixer. In the mixer. Hey, really fast, before we keep going with this recipe video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, and down in the comments, let me know what you're gonna put this cream cheese frosting on, okay? Okay, back to the recipe. So as you do this, it will look like it is super, super thick, like you're going to want to add milk or something to it, but just keep mixing, and as the sugar combines with the cream cheese, it will actually thin itself out quite a bit. So don't add the milk or any liquid until the very end. Now this makes a pretty large batch of cream cheese frosting today. I'm doubling my recipe that is on my website. So you can double it like I am today using a full stick of cream cheese, or you can do it as written on my website and just use a half a stick. All right, last little bit of powdered sugar is going to go into the mixer, as well as our vanilla. And if you're not a fan of vanilla, feel free to use like almond extract or something like that. It would also be very delicious in this recipe. Okay, so that's it to our icing. You can see right now it is super, super thick. Like, it'd be kind of hard to pipe that. So if you want to just like frost these onto like brownies or something, this is perfect. But if you're wanting to pipe it and push it through a piping bag, you may want to add a little bit of milk to it. I'm going to add just like a tad, just to thin it just the tiniest bit, but then I think I'm going to call it good. To add in the milk to thin it, you'll just start mixing it, put on the lower speed, and just add in a touch at a time until it's to your desired consistency. Today I'm going to actually be putting this frosting onto some cookies. So I'm going to pipe it. My trick for getting the frosting inside of the bag without getting it all on the outside is to put it inside of a large cup or mug like this, and then fold the bag over the edges. And then we can scoop the frosting and place it right down there in the bottom and fill this bag up without getting it on the outside. And now we can, I've got frosting all over me. Now we can just pull these sides up and keep the outside of the bag nice and clean. Push that down at the bottom. Just like that. And that is how easy it is to make my favorite cream cheese frosting. It is so smooth, it's sweet, it has the perfect amount of tang to it. Next time you need some cream cheese frosting, make sure to use my recipe. Don't do this at home, folks. Look at that clean beater. That's perfect timing.